how to set mirror screen aspect ratio to full screen on phone or on connected device on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connected devices. Then we go down and tap on Smart View. Next, in Smart View, you want to tap on the More button, then tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Set Aspect Ratio. Now you need to connect your phone to the TV first for these options to become available. And then in here you can choose full screen on phone or full screen on connected devices. And that is when you set to full screen on connected device or full screen on phone. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.